Hey guys, this is our biggest tip when it comes to doing some sort of wrap, whether PPF or vinyl. Yes, prep and cleanliness matters a lot, but for that extra measure, vehicle disassembly is just as important. If you're just cutting right here where the light is, you don't have as much material to come in there and grab, and then you can possibly see a seam where the color changes. By removing parts, lifting it, and getting it over is going to give you a much better result. Little details make a difference, and here, by having the vinyl or PPF come up, you're not going to see the color change line, and you're not going to be having a technician do the cut here, where you could make a possible visible scratch or just a mark. Having it up here ensures that we have that nice flow where it looks like the car's been painted that color. And then when the light goes in, you also have a lot more surface area where it's going to grab a lot better. The light's going to come in here in this instance, and it's going to help hold it in there over time. Because if it was over here, washing it, rain, you could possibly see lifting if you're riding on that edge. Also here at the gas cap, taking it all out. Just taking that extra time to disassemble a vehicle makes all the difference. And there you guys have it. Look at that. Looks like paint. And yeah, when you get low, you don't see the cutoff point because it's behind the light. And you can see it just has like this really painted look to it. It's when you don't do the detail work and you start to cut corners where you can see, especially on a color change, if you don't remove that line of sight in these areas, it can be quite difficult. Here we did not roof the bumper. Older vehicles, we don't like to do that. We can work it in there. But when it comes to areas like this, if it's easy to take it apart, it makes all the difference in longevity.
In the car with my day ones, then my dogs